Just got back from Nova Scotia. I spent a little bit of time out there, Sandy and I, touring around the countryside. I was invited out to speak at the Nova Scotia Beekeeper Association's annual meeting. That went very well. We really enjoyed our time out there, met lots of beekeepers, talked lots of beekeeping. But now I'm back, and I just got back actually. And the guys, the farm is absolutely hopping. We have semis on the road, we have land work being done, combining being done, cattle work being done, bee work being done. Pretty much everybody is working except for me. So I was called out to the field. I'm going to be running the grain cart, and we're getting corn off. So this weather has improved and we're getting it a bit drier now. And the farm is moving ahead finally. So we are flat out. I come back, jumped off the plane and hit the ground running.
Who's driving the car over there?
This would be your father. Are you driving the combine?
Yep.
Well, let's unload on the go.
When did you get back?
Mum and I just pulled in about half an hour ago.
I was 67 when I combined corn first, Ian.
You're driving pretty straight, Michael.
Doing good.
How's it yielding?
I'm guessing 150. One round, we get a hopper topper. I did turn the dugout from the corner to the dugout and back. It's probably going 200 there.
What's the testing?
21. Okay.